Hello friends, we are going to write an algorithm to obtain the volume of a rectangular prism. So this is rectangular prism which contain 6 faces. All the faces are rectangle. So it contains one pair of bottom and top and 4 lateral faces. So the rectangular prism also known as a cuboid. There are 3 identical faces. The rectangular prism also cuboid. So we are going to write an algorithm to calculate the volume of the rectangular prism. How to calculate the volume? The volume equal to, it contains length, breadth and height. So the volume is calculated length multiplied with breadth multiplied with height. So this is the formula to calculate the rectangular prism. We will write the algorithm. Step 1, this is the logical start of the algorithm. Step 2, so I am obtaining the input length, breadth and height from the user. Input length, breadth and height. Next, I am calculating the volume. Volume equal to length into breadth into height. Now we have calculated the volume. Next, I am going to print the result. Print volume. So this is the algorithm to calculate the rectangular prism. Start, I am obtaining the input length, breadth and height from the user. Volume equal to length into breadth into height, and I am printing the result. Volume. I am going to see an example. Length equal to 10, breadth equal to 4, height equal to 5. So volume equal to length into breadth into height. Length multiplied with breadth multiplied with height. This is equal to 10 into 4, 40, 40 into 5, which is equal to 200. When I give length equal to 10, breadth equal to 4, height equal to 5, the volume of the rectangular prism is 200. That's it. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel, share, comment and press the bell button. Thank you.